Like granulated, man, them want to see me naked. Even though I'm overweighted, rich man make me stimulated, gun man make me lubricated. No get me aggravated. Bullet on me fire fatter than a fucking elephant. True me sing the gun song, them a tell me that they're relevant. But while me have to express myself like a criminal. Try this I'ma make the bat float like pelican. And everybody know what I'm wrong.
Oh, you guys, welcome to my channel. It's too much. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? You're new to the channel. Wow, hit the subscribe button. Binge watch my videos, because watching one video you're not gonna know. I'm sorry you guys, I was joking, but today's video is a promotional type video. If you asked me what I was choking on, that's the topic. Okay, so we're gonna set this up. Sorry, as I can see I'm making a mess. Like right now, this is my ashtray. This should not be nobody's ashtray. It's embarrassing. Not any single one making a mess. Not in 2021. Look at this. That's what I'm at.
Have a package for Sue. I think this is the stuff.
No, crazy, like. I'm sitting here waiting for my package. My homegirl sending me my stuff all the way from New York. Can y'all see me? And I'm so excited. I can't wait to come. So I'm waiting on the mail. You know, you can look on your phone, check to see when it's gonna be delivered. It's an app called Shop. And you can see wherever your package is going from. It attaches it to your email that you want to be attached to. And it just tells you about it. So I can't wait. Yeah, I think I already know what this is. Come on, let me see. Yes! Thank you. This is a good look at. Yes, I was waiting for that. Hold on, let me go. Hey, I got my package, y'all. I'm hyped. So this is from the Resiness Ashley. This is actually somebody I know. Met her quite a few years back. I can't open this. I need the scissors. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I'm supporting black businesses. That's what I'm shopping with. That's where I'm putting my money. It's only right. So she customizes things for you. You're gonna see that. I didn't want to say what it is. I'm waiting. Oh, so this is cute. Y'all see the bag? Open it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so that's how it comes, like this. Really cute. I love it. You can tell she put her time into this. Everything is well wrapped, secure by itself. I love this. Personal. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make sure I put her information up in the video too as well. I'm excited. Let's go. Woo. So yeah, I'm tired of ashing all over the place. I've been making a mess at my house. This is so cute, y'all. Look. She got the little papers. I love this. I'm gonna try to take this in. So thank you card to me. Hold on. You make sure that, you know, there's not no codes in here, nothing like that. Okay. I hope you like your purchase. Please. Okay, and tag us. Okay. So that's our Instagram at the bottom. I will also put it in the video. I'll put it up below. This is a thank you card though. This, oh, this is cute. Okay. I'm guessing this is our business card. That's the front. Right? this is the back. Hope y'all can see that. Cause honestly, my eyes is not good and it's gonna take me a second to read that, okay? Nah, but I love this. This is amazing, it's so cute. I love the colors. I love how she did it. This is great. All right, so that's the tissue. Thank you stick on here with tissue paper. Wow, what I'm not realizing is, oh yes, small business, I love this. She has customized tissue paper. It says the Resiness Ashley on here. Okay, girl, okay. Okay, check her out. Check her out, check her out. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my God, that's my business name. Bad Breed, y'all already know. If y'all part of this channel, y'all already know. Oh my God, I can't wait to plug this in. Do I plug it in or do I turn it on? Yo, hold on. How does it work? I don't want to mess it up. I'm so freaking excited. Sis, you gotta tell me how you turn this on though. Do we plug it in? I can't even see. I'm so like, hold on y'all. Oh my God, it says Budbury in the middle of it, y'all. You already know that's my business name. And this is the ashtray she made for me. Oh my God, do y'all see that? Blood clot, cha-cha. No, so I'm not see this. What is this? What not see this? What not see this? What don't see this? Just imagine now, in a room, in a nice, good room, I sleep and I smoke or whatever, and I wake up right in the dark in that room, and I go for smoke, no grab for your split. You don't have to worry about ash pan and ground, you can't find your ashtray. Me, one of a time, me ash pan and ground, I ash pan myself. You see me? No, you don't have to worry about that, queer. Light up ashtray with my name and lights. I know someone want one. I know y'all want one. This shit is fire. I'm excited. I can't wait to ash in this bitch, okay? Hold on, she did that. No, all right. Okay, this is something else. I really love the fact she has her own tissue paper. Like, I own a business as well, and I don't have that. That's an inspiration too as well. So, ooh, look what she sent me. Let's see what this is, y'all. Oh, I saw this on her page. I'm like, nah, I want one. That's so cute. Ooh, and it got BB on it, look. Yeah, I know this is a part of my business color. This is a clip holder, y'all. This is so fire. It's a clip holder. Stop playing with her. All of this is customized and handmade. What you mean? This is a... So what do I do? Like, hold on. So I need to go like that. Like right? Black. I'm gonna wash your wait there. At nighttime, I can find this so easily. Like, what you mean? Like, what? Girl, what kind of batteries these use? You gotta let me know. Cause I gotta go figure that out. Yes. Okay, what I got? Yeah. Ooh, look. Y'all can see? I like these little baggies. I like that. Got everything together and secure. Not gonna roll over the place. Ooh, talk to her. Nice. This one got a barcode on the, not a barcode, a QR code on the back. This one says stoner bitch. You already know what you mean. Who you talking to? All day long. If I'm not stoned, I'm not happy. And don't come over here and say nothing. You better be bringing a bud or something. Blood clot. Oh, this got a plastic on it. Okay, because I'm about to say what happened. Oh my goodness. This one got BB settings on it. This one got stoner bitch. This is a keychain. But on the back of this one, this is a QR code with my business. So what you do is you go and you scan this, right? You scan this and it automatically brings you to my website so you can shop. That's fucking popping. I ain't seen that nowhere. Y'all better get y'all one. Yes, let's go. And I needed a new keychain. That's what I needed. Yo, oh. Chill. What? Hold on. Wasn't I just saying I needed to punch up a whole bitch in the face? I don't be trying to fight nobody, y'all. So do I hit him? Oh, that's how you know. I don't fight nobody. I don't even know how to do this. Ooh. Really? Get crazy. This is fire. I'm walking around with this. Like, it's regular. Like, with my bag. Like, what happened? I like this. I always wanted one. But I felt like I was never gonna buy it from nobody, like, out the store. They was always charging some wild amount, but nah, this was lit. Get it. You look y'all up. That's fire. Everything is customized. Everything is my business color. Everything how I want it. Look. Oh my gosh. This is making you want to do this, right? I'm telling you, I was supposed to be a stripper, but I couldn't. Stop picking it. Look, y'all. Any work. I did blood cleric. Do y'all see that? That's me. I could put the same picture up. So she did that. I fucked with her. Yo, Jazz, you did your thing, sis. I ain't gonna lie. You did that. Just to customize paper, you had me at this. Marketing, okay? Branding, okay? This is... You gonna fall. She gonna fall. Hold on. There's more. Hold on. Oh my God. I'm tired of rolling up on envelopes, okay? I'm tired of rolling up on envelopes. I roll up on paper, envelopes, dollar bills, $10 bills. I don't care where I'm at, I'm rolling in it. I'm rolling in my hand, my shit green in the middle, you heard? Thumbs is, okay? So this right here, the fact that it's BB settings like this, I'm gonna show y'all what my logo normally looks like, but me and her had a long discussion. I told her I wanted to go for a new look, to something real, you know? And she really did that for me, like, look at that. What's this in the bag? Okay, she got her sticker back here, whatever. Don't worry about that. This is what you look at. Okay? This is nice. I love this. And I haven't really exposed this new look to anyone else except for her. And she really did that. She really fucking did that. Look how much pieces she gave me. This was a great deal. Like, y'all probably thinking like, oh, you probably spent mad bread for this. No. The light up ashtray. All of this. Look at this. What you saying? Y'all not real potheads. Y'all not real weed smokers if y'all don't got this. Y'all need this. What the fuck you mean? What you mean? Don't worry. I'm gonna keep that. Ooh, and I got more. She got more. Thank you. Yo, sis, what's up? Can I call you? Tell me what's up, where you get this paper from? I need some BBSD papers. What's good of you? Yes, y'all already know what this is, right? Y'all know what this is? Look at the colors in it. Can y'all see my colors? These are my business colors in here. I wish I could see that, like, ooh, that's sexy. Okay. My butter. My butter around here somewhere. So y'all already know this is stash jar. Right now, I'm about to use that in a minute to go to the crib. But y'all see it. This is a nice size too, a little personal, in your bag or whatever. This is so freaking cute, y'all. Look. Oh my God. Don't forget to check out her Instagram. She shares daily posts. She gives great content. I'm so excited, especially about my light up ashtray. Look at this. Keychain. Little quotes on it. You can put any type of QR code on the back of your keychains. You can put music on here. You can put your shop, your social medias, whatever it is that you want to share with others, you can put on here and QR code that. She definitely told me that. I choose my store, so y'all can go shop. What's crazy is, you guys, half of this stuff I didn't even like. She really hooked me up, because I don't even remember this. I didn't even order all of this. Like, she just do me stuff. Like, I know I need to light up ashtray because I'm tired of sleeping in the dark. Yeah, but she does that. So y'all really need to go shop with her. Shop with Queen, all right? Y'all need to go check out my sis. Like I said one more time, here's her information. Here's her card. I'm showing it right. Oh, it's upside down. My apologies. Okay. Was it the Resins? Ashley. Okay. My homegirl Jazz, check her out. She's doing her thing. Okay. Y'all see it one more time, everything. For me right now, this is a bundle. You guys could order separately. You don't have to order everything all at once. I mean, it's recommended, duh, because you need everything. If you're a real smoker, then you know, like, you need everything that's here, period. There's nothing here that, excuse me, that you don't need. You need an ashtray. Yes, you do, because where you gonna put weed? You need to have someplace to store your weed. When it gets really small, especially if you a bad breed like me, you don't want to burn your nails, so you're gonna need something to hold it. Duh. What are you gonna light it with? How are we gonna get the fire started? Okay, you got something you want to share? You just need something to hold your keys, get in your house? Everybody needs a keychain. Like, don't get crazy. Who don't want to look intimidating? You don't even know I could fight, but I looked right. Okay. When you pull your stuff out, where you gonna put it? We gotta stop these envelopes. It's touching every wet body. Corona is going out. It's going around. You don't need that. This is where you crush your weed at. Stop doing it on this money. It's dirty. It's nasty. Everybody touch it. No more envelopes. No more rolling up on here.